Welcome to Kente TV. My name is Benedict, aka Karanaza, and I am your host for this segment, Street Vox, where we get the honest takes and opinions of the people of Ghana on trendy issues and topics. But before we get into it, I want you, yes, you, watching me, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and please comment. Let's get into it. Today we are talking about power, we are talking about opportunity. If given the mandate, what is one thing you would add or change in the laws of Ghana? Let's get interactive. All right, so if given the opportunity, given the power to change something or to add a law to the current existing law, what would you change or add?
So I think I would like to talk about the fact that this wanna police people go fit stop somebody then just they harass them just like that without any warrant. If like government go fit do something where like then go give them warrant so that we know specific people because you go fit there, everybody go fit go wear uniform then just can't stop you then just they talk to you anyhow because you never know what it can lead to. Understand? Sometimes maybe if you be then armed people some 1-2 not then sick go and then Charlie fatality. Understand?
So you feel like government for check on those kind of things, say, oh Charlie, or maybe we they say some specific people. So if maybe we see you or we get warrant say this person they hold this or you they look like somebody like this. If this be one warrant, we won't set you. That way you are more willing. Or no be so it
It be so. So that one if I dey do something cry, no be giddy. I know say you finish you go your way. So yeah.
And they be break kwa.
Inti mambako.
Oh, me then ka politicians for no na. Me no ka to me no dey case both two parties in here, the different parties ba. Maybe changes bit me about my man ke beboa. Because anytime they depending on those two parties, what I say. Until me there, ka to me there can change those two parties, from Ghana so that then we change the constitution too.
Okay. So what in particular in the constitution and Kaunya and Kabesa? What's the empire?
Yes, the whole thing.
The whole
Yes, the whole thing. No, because in favor me. And before no muda, because some kind of muda, just like that by heart. She so be a Pakistan go ni mu ni fie. Na me Pakistan go mi fie. Say kan so ye yo. Mo ma Pakistan go ye fie na. Mo de coins na bre yen ni ndi coins na ma paki dollars ni we na go. Ye wi na so akobo bosia. Ye mba yen wo mu ye na mu. Na mba betu asa coins no. Mo ma paki go mu fie no. Esa na yen kwara sem. Enti na we say me de to me de can change the whole thing. Including the leaders in yes so be yes.
All right.
President because
Our phrases should be legal. All school-going children should strictly go to school. School-going age children, first cycle, second cycle should be very legal so that everybody will be actually have some formal education. It will help the nation develop.
So you are saying right from the get-go, from kindergarten to maybe university, everything should be free.
Yes, but compulsory for everybody to have education.
That's a very interesting take. Why that particular take?
Before the nation can develop, we need to be educated. If you're educated and even a farmer, you know how to practice your farm. And then if you are selling tomatoes and you are educated, you know how to save and how to take good care of your money. But somebody who has completed university or first cycle after second cycle education, and the person goes to farming, he will perform better than he not going to school. So education there I think is very important.
Right.
The Ukrainian man who got a capa, Merafundi, a bua hapa. But the Ayanechi Majupa, Mepesenka, and Yatumia, a free minister. The bit is a police institution. I don't think the police for no more honomo. Or more Gazan to me who say Nippo will rise through the ranks. I'm a mom finding any IGP. And this is a chairman, two abani, president and a president, a IGP. President, we are so as a chief of defense staff. It's not just a BB, of course, to be a IGP in favor of the president, 1 year in favor of the country. I was saying, rising through the ranks, no bay or penny, soldier for penny, and other police for penny. But I buy in there. That's a deal way be a Wayama Omino, Wayama Bino. na yɛ ni nam na yɛ brɛ ɛyɛ mrafo ba mrafo de bi wɔ ha no bebre da wɔ ba we no ɛyɛ na yɛ ma hipa
Say obi ekokum obi ewie. He intentionally did it. But if actually no make say he's mad. He have some way mental problem. Nti eno no I say ama that thing has become common nowadays. Say, oh, if I kill cry your mental problem thing, they will leave me. Say me no say your mommy mra, if you have mental problem or you don't have mental problem, you face it. That how you kill the person, if I me shame na say, oh, you intentionally did it, I'll kill you. And
The way you kill the person, Sani also you be kuana.
so me shame na me say you intentionally did it. I'll also kill you. You kill you the same you kill that person.
Tit for tat. Oh yeah, you be.
That
At the same time, there to me there idea we drew. To get to me there. Whether they are me ye film in say, they are me ye film in Kwan say, memo be what on.
I'm no better.
A bit is a trotro that best for. What be general police abeto, sit to can go in him, Nipasu go, on to can go in him at the same time, China the 2 million. Timid I can support it that best for. Yeah,
Nervous phone. Na behave na yo mugina ntia police for na eyo me na mpese me ho hefa na mugina abebi mugina na yese wo se mugina ho ntina mugina police ne ha mo keke ha no mo ha mo keke na accident.
okay, a bit say be me call La Pasi, O station, my cotton nipa go bus stop. Me jina bus stop me fanipa. O se chinchina me can in full on. Me come and nimka crowd moto di mechi, baby me could be an moto di mechi. It is say be and you're right. Intinip oh hame, tinipa ne go on me for can into empty, obi can and my 1.6. Intimidate she could do La Pasa, Maboka. What you say? Na nipa no su go mate o kwan nti no e ma me ntumi fa nipa no nti me de ame asa me so me dey me so me kilo we for na me so ma fa nipa no gu ka
Chira sa station na church drivers ni gina ni de nka police ma hombe ha mo kra.
oh at the same time the police ye nipa bi obo nipa ho ban nanso nka me protection ne se nka wo de ma ye fa nipa no ma kakra bi a metumi afa bi a me nko no bi so me fa bi ye metuatua so na ye bebre.
So these were the opinions of the people on the street. Let us know your opinion in the comment section down below. Down below. Please take time to comment because your opinion really matters. We want your opinions in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like, and like I said, comment. Until next time.